Let's go ahead and test the Bissell Steamshot. Someone recently asked if this steamer had to build up pressure every couple of minutes or if the steam was constant. I think it's a great question, so let's go ahead and give it a test. I put in 1 cup of water into the Bissell Steamshot, plugged it in, waited for the light to turn off. This indicates that it's ready to use. But after that, I held the trigger constantly and did not let go. The goal here was to see how long it would produce steam until I needed to release the trigger and let it build up steam again. I didn't really know what to expect. I thought maybe after a couple of minutes it might run out of steam, but to my surprise, it just kept going. I held the trigger for a few minutes, then a few more minutes, and a few more minutes. It just kept going. It actually went for so long that my thumb got tired of holding down the trigger that I had to switch hands a few times. Now, the light would turn on, and again, this indicates that it's heating up, but then it would turn off. I'd say every about 30 to 45 seconds, that light would kick on, but it would turn off. So basically, it would heat up throughout the process, but the steam never stopped. And it did this for 6 minutes straight. So as far as I can tell, it will continue, and you do not need to take a break to let it build up steam again. I didn't know how much water was left, so I decided to shut the machine down. Again, my thumb was getting tired. So I let out the pressure, shut the machine down. I poured out what was left, and there was still half a cup. So again, I put in a full cup. There was still half a cup left after 6 minutes. So with this, I would assume it would probably run for 10 to 12 minutes continuously before it runs out of water with a full cup. So hopefully that helps answer your question. As far as I can tell, yeah, this thing runs constantly. You don't need to let it build up, so you can steam really until it runs out of water. So hopefully that helped. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.